Education is the gateway to the world of dreams, and the realistic approach towards this goal is better education for the better world. Welcome, dear students, to the 2021-22 academic year with the theme Acknowledge, Adjust and Upload. It is always an exciting and thrilling moment to welcome you, dear students, to school, though our learning continues to be online based on genuine care and compassion shared between students and the school. It will be a platform to ensure you that you, dear students, entrusted into our care, grow to be productive, confident, compassionate members of a global society. Dear students, we look forward to serving you and making sure you have an enjoyable and successful year. Learn every day and know that you are surrounded by support. Try your best in everything you do. Stay optimistic and focused. You will do great and believe in making a year that you will treasure. Our continued commitment to fostering resilience, perseverance, grit, empathy, and our deliberate work to instill self-regulating and emotional wellness carried on through lessons by your teachers will undoubtedly help you, dear students, to thrive academically, socially, and emotionally. At this juncture, I would like to take a moment to express my sincerest condolences to all our dear students who had lost their dear ones during this COVID time. You have our deepest sympathy and unwavering support. We wish you peace, comfort, courage, and lots of love at this time of sorrow. It is well said and justified that adversity comes with instruction in his hand. Yes, dear students, difficult times make a man wise and a life enriched with virtue. This pandemic crisis has no doubt devastating consequences on the whole world, yet it brought out once again the inner strength of the human race. The history of the world is the story of the survival of the fittest, a story of those who fought against adverse circumstances and achieved great victories. I would like to enshrine the 3 A's: acknowledge, adjust and upload that can be learned out of this pandemic. The theme with the 3 A's, acknowledge, adjust and upload for the year 2021-22 will be the guiding star for the accomplishment of the aims of this academic year. Let me also remind you, dear students, to use your time wisely. The commodity of which every man has the least and weighs the most is time. 4 things never return, says an Indian proverb. The sped arrow, wasted time, the broken word, and the lost opportunity. The old adage runs, a place for everything and everything in its place. It would be wiser to say, a time for everything and everything in its time. The right use of time means the right use of opportunities. The hours that you waste may be the very hours that you would have ensured your success. Procrastination, the habit of postponing action, is the biggest stumbling block to success. Use limited time on the screen and use your time wisely, dear students. Suppose you had a bank which gave you each morning rupees 86,400 and then cancelled at the close of the day whatever money you had failed to use. What would you do? Common sense would tell you to draw out every paise each day lest it goes waste. Well, you do have such a bank. Its name is time. Every morning, God in His goodness gives you 86,400 seconds. Whatever of this treasure you fail to use for a good purpose, He rules off as a loss for you. You can never get back the moment you lost yesterday. How sad if someone has to say, I lost yesterday somewhere between sunrise and sunset, 2 golden hours, each set with 16 diamond minutes. No reward offered, for they are gone forever. So, time has no favorites and it doesn't become kinder to one over another. It just gives us back what we put into it. Therefore, dear students, be wise enough in using your time wisely. Dear students, my only advice to you for this academic year is to embrace growth mindset that creates a love of learning and a resilience that is essential for great accomplishment. Such a mindset will serve you well in the future, far beyond the timeline of temporary pandemic. On this positive, encouraging theme of acknowledge, adjust and applaud, we are looking forward for an amazing year with you, dear students. I welcome you all once again. Stay healthy, stay safe. God bless you and your dear ones. Thank you.